Here we are over in Wakefield this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer out in the sticks. This customer previously had a 5G EE router running off a SIM card, which was no good. He was getting about 10 megabytes per second if he's lucky. So he's opted for the Starlink. We've showed up, installed the Starlink on a 9x9 galvanised bracket, a 3.5 foot mast to get over that roof, clear line of sight, wired down and in. However, it is a fairly long house with thick walls, so we've installed a mesh system as well, consisting of 3 deco units. And he's now receiving speeds of up to 250 megabytes per second all throughout his property. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.